Shilling tip. And by the way, just to say you all, we are actually going to a place called I don't know, the name is quite difficult to pronounce, but it's a waterfall. So we are finding some waterfall. Meanwhile, we stop for a while just to check our cars. So yeah, this is how it is. We have 2 members, including me. And then I can see one village guy working out there. So this is the beginning of the journey to the waterfall. Maybe we're fine. Let's move, let's move. We have long distance to cover. So if you see the sound inside the car is maybe audible, but likewise if I take it outside, car? Chill, fresh air. Just woke up from the bed and we just came on to this journey. 아니 물론 apa ini? What a beautiful scene. I can see lots of pine trees, you know, just like other hills in the other states, especially you can see in the Himachal. Great view. And what a morning sunlight. Very less traffic here. Up there also pine trees, everywhere pine trees, a good view. Let me try on this top. Some towers, some houses. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Alright, let's move. You know, I stopped because I wanted to pee. Now we have a driver like this kind of people, and he doesn't want to stop at beautiful spot. But anyway, we're moving ahead. We're moving ahead for the waterfall. Let's go. Chalo. Let's go. Okay, one more view is there that side. Huh? You can see the speed of the car, how far they go. How speed. Chalo! Ah, these people are really shit, man. Done? Chalo. Alright, let's go guys, let's go.